Let's make a lunch for school because we're saving money and we're eating good. I'm going to be making an Uncrustable because I don't like crust and I'm a child inside. So I'm using some Kewpie mayo, spreading that on, putting some cucumbers on that. Delicious. I love the crunch. I just love cucumbers and mayo. So simple, but so good. You can even add some black pepper. Going ahead and adding a piece of chicken breast, putting on my top piece of bread, putting it in my little container. I got this from Amazon, and then adding some fruit because balance. These are some blueberries, delicious, organic, and closing that up. And then I'm going in with some organic applesauce. I like a little bit of applesauce. Then I'm using some midday squares. I'm just adding some of these. They're delicious. They're so good. Protein, because sometimes I get hungry for that second granola bar. And then an energy drink because I didn't have any coffee this morning. But you don't have to do this. You can just add water if you're not a crackhead like me. And I'm putting it all in my bag. And that's how you can pack an easy lunch for school with things that you already have, and hope you enjoy.